Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
This is super cute. Go around, man.
Town.
Yeah, go crazy, dude.
Wow.
Yeah, he flashed his brights at me and then went around.
Ooh.
Boom! That was hilarious, actually.
That was awesome.
That was pretty awesome. LOL.
What's happening? Jesus, don't hit me! Don't hit me! You f***ing asshole! Get
Camera! There's a camera right there! What? 6899. Okay, he's now pulling over with his hazards on. He threatened a gun at me. He was making gun symbols at me.
Oh, okay. So, like, what road was he on?
I'm on Whitesocki Road North. He's a black male with glasses on. He was threatening a gun at me. He was making gun things with his fingers.
I kinda hoped it was just a phase. So you're leaving.
Jesus!
After a few too.
amazing how
Look at this guy.
Oh my god, what the f are you doing?
Turn left on Norwood Avenue.
Like this guy, title driver. There's a stop sign, you know that, right?
That's our field.
What the fuck? Man, what the fuck are you doing? That's great.
Oh, okay, Garmin. Save video.
Asshole's really close. Lock the video. This guy shouldn't have been in the intersection. Now he's right on my side.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
doing, dude?
You'll earn MPerks points. The more you shop, the more your points add up, and the more you save at the pump. Turn your summertime snack cravings into fuel savings. Only at Meijer. Savings per gallon based on points redeemed. Fuel rewards.
No. He's in the first, I stay in second.
Holy crap! Shit.
Whoa!
That guy's running.
He's running?
Yeah.
Really running?
Yeah, he's running.
Oh no.
How do I save this?
Really?
I hit that.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.